If you have ever had one of those days where you just need a massive warm hug from the inside out, this is it. Welcome back to Legacy Life Kitchen. Today we are making magic in a pot. Authentic Nigerian catfish pepper soup. Yes, guys, you heard me right. We are making authentic Nigerian catfish pepper soup. So without further ado, this is loaded with soft, flavorful packed yam chunk. Trust me, whether you're trying to shake off cold or you're just putting your taste bud, this recipe eats differently. Yes, let's get right into it. So the first thing you are going to do is to peel your yam and clean it thoroughly and cut it into nice chunks, just the way you see me do. You are going to go ahead and grab your pot, yes, your clean pot. The next thing you are going to do is to pour your yam into your pot and switch on your gas burner. So once you do that, the next thing you're going to do is to get about 500 to 700 ml of water and add to the yam. The next thing you are going to do is to add in your scotch bonnet pepper, your Cameroon pepper, your salt and seasoning to taste, and then cover everything like that and allow it to cook just the way you see me do. You know, catfish is very, very soft, so you have to be careful. There are two ways with which you can make sure your catfish is secure. It is either you use hot water, like not boiling, just hot water, to clean off the sliminess and firm it up. Or you can also do this method of putting it in a boiling or what is it called pepper soup broth, just the way you see me do. So next thing you are going to do is to make sure you stir everything together now that you have added your catfish. You know you already started cooking the yam because catfish doesn't take long to cook. Within the next 5 7 minutes, your catfish pepper soup should be ready. And guys, this is what we have. So let me know if you are going to be trying this. And guys, if you stay till this moment, don't forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so so much. I really appreciate your love and care. Guys, watch this video, share it with your loved ones and family because we're trying to get monetized. We're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours, guys. We can only do it with your help. And I know that you guys are going to support your little girl. Until next time, I love you all. Bye.